Now, have you ever had a day like this? A floor disaster you don't even want to deal with. Now, watch closely. This is the Narwal S30 Pro, and it's not just clean, it's effortless. Now, in one single pass, this beast cleans up coffee, cereal, yogurt, and even hair. One pass, and it's done. Now, this is Narwhal's S30 series. Now, they both deliver massive cleaning power, but the Pro steps it up a bit with the features like auto hair cutting, 194-degree iron drying, and smart detergent dispensing. Now, the Pro comes in black and the standard in white. Both are powerful. Now, you get 5 smart cleaning modes.
Now, the AI Smart Mode is for daily use, which uses blue light AI dirt sense to detect dirt levels and increases suction for heavy messes. So this is for those who doesn't want to think about what's really going on, just let the vacuum do its thing by using AI Smart Mode. Now, the second feature is the Max Mode, which has a boosted suction with just one press. This is ideal for tough stains in the kitchen. And it's super simple to use max mode by pressing the purple button. Now, the next mode is the suction mode, which is great for using in the bathroom. This actually reduces water to better clean along wet hair in bathrooms. The next mode is what I love the most because this house is full of wood floors, which is wood floor mode. This has a stronger suction, it uses less water as well, and has faster drying. It's designed to protect wooden floors because you don't want extra water on your wooden floors over time. And of course, the quiet mode, which is the best because I have a small child as well, which is great because it has a low noise cleaning, when the baby is sleeping. This is what it sounds like.
Now let's talk about one of the best features, which is the anti-tangle. Now the Pro model has a built-in cutter blade in the dock. Watch this. Long hair, pet hair, wet strands, it all goes in and the blade slices them all clean. No scissors, no finger pulling, and no mess. Now the dual layer comb inside also scrapes hair into the suction stream so nothing wraps around. Now even the standard S30, it includes the same dual layer comb. You won't get the blade, but you still avoid most tangles. This is a major win if you've got pets or long hair in the house. Now let's talk edges and reach. It has a triple-sided edge brushes which gets right up against the baseboards and furniture legs.
Now, the Pro and the Standard can do the exact same thing. Watch this.
Now when you're done, just hit the self-cleaning button. It washes the rollers with up to 194-degree Fahrenheit hot water, then dries them with high heat iron style drying. That means no molds, there's no smell, no bacteria, and you're always starting fresh. Now this is where Narwhal changed the game. See this? It's a self-contained waste separation bag. You never have to touch the gunk. Just grab the bag and toss it. And this box here, that's a built-in deodorizer. It keeps the whole thing smelling clean, even days later.
Now, most traditional wet vacuums are actually pretty heavy, but this is one of the lightest ones that I tried, which is really nice.
Now I love the lightweight design on this, but it's also tough on dirt. You can literally lift it with one finger and it runs up to 60 minutes on full charge.
Now, both the S30 Pro and the standard version can go down pretty low, as you could see here. and it'll automatically change modes, detecting that you're underneath a furniture. And the no dust blow, which picks up debris without scattering it, unlike competitors. Now, we talked about earlier the S30 Pro has these different modes. The S30 standard version, the white version here, it actually has the same modes. But this doesn't have the trigger that the Pro has, so you have to hold the option button, and that's how you trigger max mode. But aside from that difference, as you could see, the suction is really well. It can clean really well as well on my flooring.
Smooth operation thanks to the bottom mounted water tank and small wheels that never get clogged. Now, another bonus feature for the pro owners is that you don't need to measure detergent every time. The Pro auto dispenses solution based on how dirty your floors are. It's very smart, clean, and again, super easy. Now, both models clean the same.
The Pro adds in the blade and the hotter washing and drying.
Detergent automation, and a few extras. If that matters to you, go with the Pro. If not, the standard S30 still rocks. Now, honestly, this is the most hands off floor cleaning system I've ever used. It has no tangles, no dirty hands. Just tap and let it clean. Then let it clean itself.
Now, I've secured an exclusive open sale discount for my audience, so check the description box for details.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. If you have any questions at all, I'll be in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.